How you doing? Anthony Ferro here of Crazy Sci-Fi. Today I'm very thrilled, very humbled to share with you my 1,000 subscriber video. Thank you very much. For me personally, I'm so proud and so excited to have the momentum and the acknowledgement from you all to move forward. And I'm really excited. As a recap, what we've been doing is I've been doing videos on making, I've been doing videos on prop making, filmmaking, how to do social media, how to raise money, how to do special effects, how to do basic effects. And the thing that I've found is that you guys really love when I go to the dollar store and create the props from the dollar store. Very inexpensive, very fun. The filmmaking tutorials have been very well received. And the visual effects, probably I think I should do more simple versions of those for our community here. Now, moving forward, what I'm feeling I want to do, and please leave comments and let me know what you'd like to see, is I want to do more of the dollar store mashups. I think you really enjoy those, and they're very doable, right? They're under $5 and they usually take a day, and you get a good result, and it's just fun. The costume making tutorials, where I go into the thrift store and get about $10 worth of clothes, turn those into costumes, you all seem to really enjoy those. And then the filmmaking tutorials, I went over all the minutia, from raising the money to doing the scripts to casting to shooting, and we followed that process right through to my short film Erringer. And I'm going to do more of those, but I have an idea for a series that I want to do where I'm going to make a short film, but I'm going to treat it more like a prop or a costume making tutorial. I'm going to make a very simple film. I'll share a script with everybody, and we can just make that all together, and I'll do that step by step, and you'll be able to follow along. And I'm really excited to bring that to you. And then also with the short films, I want to say thank you. My short film Erringer, that you can follow the series on this channel, I just completed it, and right now I'm submitting it to festivals because, you know, I'm in the trenches with you guys. I'm doing the same thing. I'm just sharing my experience. It came out really good, and once it's gone through the festival circuit, then I'll make it available online here. And the thing I wanted to say thank you is that with this short film, Erringer, every single step of the process I shared with you. And in turn, what that did was made me think twice about everything I was doing on that film. And sort of the unexpected happy accident for me is it's a film that I'm really, really proud of. You know, it's a cliche. I always give 110% to my projects, but because I shared the process with all of you, it's like 200%. You know, you're always learning, right? And when you think you're working hard enough, you're probably not. You could probably work a little harder. And I really learned that from sharing with you all. So moving forward, lots more tutorials. And again, we've been doing this together for a while, so I think I have a better idea of what you like to see and what can help you. So again, sincerely, thank you. I love making these videos, and I only get to make them if you watch them and share them. So as always, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, subscribe, leave a comment. Love to read the comments. And moving forward, let's all together just create more sci-fi.